Hello friends, today we see the problem on Java leap year. So firstly created the public class leap year, then public static void main. Main is a function in between the string square brackets arguments, then close bracket. In between the string is capital, that's why error is showing. Then int year, int an integer, year is a variable equals to 2024. Then check the condition, the leap year is true or false. So if in between the year percent modulo 400 equals to 0, means condition is checking the system system.out. Println. So here is in a printing in between the message is a leap year. Then check else if block. In between the condition, the year must be divided by 400. The leap year is divided by 4. So if else if block in between the year modulo 4 equals to 0 and then condition check year modulo 100 is not equals to 0, then system out println in between year plus message is a leap year. It is on a true block. Then else block is on a checking the false condition. Else block in between the system out.println in between the year is not a leap year, so message is not a leap year. So check the output. So 24 is a leap year, so changing the value of a leap year is 21 and then again run and see 21 is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 4. Thank you.